Hello guys, welcome to another video of the DBMS question series. In this video, I am going to talk about question set 25. In previous video, I have discussed the question set 24, and in that video, we have discussed the maximum and minimum function in database. Today, we are going to talk about average function in the database. Okay, in my first question, they are asking find the average obtained in the first term mathematics subject. Okay, now we have to find an average here. When finding an average, we have to use the average function here. As you can see, I have used the average function here. Then I have select average from the student exam mark record dot mark column here. In my table, as you can see, here is my mark column. I am going to select all the marks from this column and I am going to find the average from this column. Therefore, I have used the mark column here. Then I have used the conditions. In the questions, they have given first term and the subject should be mathematics. So those are the conditions. So I have used as condition in my query. As you can see here, my term name should be first term and the subject name should be mathematics. Okay, when I execute my query, here you can get the average as like this. In the second question, they are asking find the average obtained in the second term singular subject. Okay, as the first question, in the first question they are asking average for the mathematics in the first term. In here they are asking average for the singular in second term. So we need to change only the conditions. Here, as you can see, now I have changed the term name into second term and the subject name into singular, and the same query which I used in the previous question. Now when I execute the query, here you can get the result that you want. Okay, our next question is find the average of the marks obtained by Sachitha Vikramasinghe student in all subjects. The examination held on 2020 10th of 7th month. Okay, now again we have to find an average. In here they have given three conditions here. Two conditions here. You can see we have to find the student Sachitha Vikramasinghe and the examination date should be this one and the subject should be all subjects. So here, in here, as same as the previous two questions, I have select the average from the mark column. Then in my condition, I have set exam date should be this one and the first name of the student should be this one. When I execute my query, here you can get the average of that student. Okay, in my last question, arrange the marks obtained by all the students of class 11A in the first term in ascending order. Here we have to use the ascending order by function and the average function. Here our condition should be all the students in the class A and the term should be first term. Okay, as you can see, now I have select the mark column and the class name column from the class table, and I have inner join the student table on the student mark record from the student index number, and I have again inner join class table on the student table using the class IDs of the both table. Then I have used my condition where the exam term ID in exam term should be first term and the class name should be 11A. Then I have here, you can see when I execute my query, here you can get the result what you wanted, but it is not in ascending order. To set my result in ascending order, I have to use the order by option here. I am going to order by the student mark column. Therefore, I am going to get the student exam mark record dot mark column in ascending Then I am going to execute the query. Here you can see now my results are in ascending order, and here you can see the class name is 11A. So here I have completed the question. If you do not have any idea about the DBMS question series, just check out my channel and you can get a clear idea about what's going on this question series. Therefore, this is the end of my video. Thank you.